read a lot of business books in my journey of creating an agency, but on top of that, I've also learned a lot from YouTube. And that's why in this video, I want to showcase 3 YouTube channels that I follow on a weekly basis to help my agency growth. My name is Urosh and I'm the founder and CEO of Flow Ninja. And over the past years, I've had the chance to grow a team of 40 plus team members at only 20 years of age. And that's not because I'm some wonder kid. It's more of because I've been influenced by the right people online, by their books, by their YouTube channels, and by their in-person advice in order to get to this point. I remember being pretty young and watching the Life of an Entrepreneur in 90 seconds, and this was the thing that when I wake up, I go ahead and play this, and I was imagining myself like driving a Ferrari or whatever. I had zero idea about business, I had zero idea about like entrepreneurship or anything like that, but I can follow back through that like that did actually make an influence in my life. Later on, I discovered all of the other Patrick's videos about like building a business, building a team, and I could actually see that he was running an actual business with actual employees. So that's why if you want to see something direct and something more in the lines of how the business is run on a day-to-day basis without any courses being sold to you, Value Entertainment and Patrick is gonna be great. You can go ahead and also view some of his older videos because recently he has been publishing a lot more podcasts, but on his older videos you're gonna see a lot more kind of industry specific and business oriented topics which can help you out in the long run. The next channel is Alex and Leila's Hormozi's channels. Both of them are incredible and are huge assets lately to our business. As our business grew, we needed more marketing, we needed more sales, and we needed more hiring, and Alex and Leila's videos are incredible on both of those topics. Based off of that, you can see that Alex actually sold I think almost 7 companies until now, and like some of them even sold for 43 million or something like that. It's really valuable that you can get feedback like online completely for free from somebody who was in the shoes of making hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars through his career. And the best part is his courses are free and his book is only 10 bucks. So I strongly encourage you to go ahead and watch his YouTube videos and also to dive into his topic on the videos and also to follow his wife's content, Leila, just because she's also kind of covering the CEO aspect and he's covering the marketing and the sales aspect. So you have everything under a single roof. And then the final channel is from Chris Do. Like I think everybody in the design community knows him and is the future. I think they're the only ones actually combining business and design in the proper way. So it can be really valuable to find out how you should price, how you should basically negotiate, how you should sell your services, and how to position your business in general on the market. On top of that, they do have some amazing videos design-wise, which really follow my basically philosophy of that design is made there to kind of grow your business. So it can help watch their older videos and like their videos currently. They have workshops and many other things which can help you out in the journey. And then the final video here is Flagrant and Andrewschutz. I think that we get carried away into the business world kind of too much and that we get occupied by just watching kind of YouTube videos about business. You're gonna learn a lot also from making mistakes and kind of from learning from those mistakes and feeling everything on your own skin. So that's why I think it's important to go ahead, have some time to wind down. Of course, yes, you do need to work hard, you need to work smart on your business and everything like that, but in the end, go ahead and make some laughs. I mean, like the best thing is like if you're gonna have time to spend with your family and your friends, but for the days where you just want to chill out, you want to zone out, and you would just want to get a little bit of a kind of decompression from your own side, I love watching kind of Andrewschutz, his specials, his podcasts, and many other funny things online. Just because I think my Instagram feed currently is like a lot of funny things, and my YouTube thing is like I'm trying to get it to a lot of funny things just so that I can be in business like for 10 hours a day. I can completely be inside of that, but after that's done, I just want to watch something funny and just kind of enjoy my time. Additionally, if you're looking for great book recommendations, you can see a video somewhere here or in the description below where we cover like some book examples that I really love, so you can hopefully get some more ideas from them. You can drop your favorite YouTube channels about business, agency, design, development, or anything like that below so we can create a short little thread. And until then, you can press the like button and the subscribe button and follow us in the journey of growing a 7-figure agency to an 8-figure venture capital studio.